Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to learn class first EVS, that is second chapter, our home. Do you like your home? Do you like to be in your home full day? Yes, I love to be in my home every day, correct? But in this lockdown time, we are get bored of being in home, correct? But we need home. In home, we can live with our parents, our brothers, our grandparents happily, correct? A home feels safe for us. The home protects us from sunlight, from rainy seasons, the heavy rain. They all are protect from our home, correct? A home protect us from that and all, correct? Then keep all the things safe, correct? It may be our books, our things, so many things we have, our dress, our play materials, correct student? So why we need house? So in this class we are going to learn that home is where we live with our parents and grandparents. You know, in the previous class we have learned, in the previous lesson we have learned who are parents and who are grandparents. We can happily live with them, correct? So why do we need house? Why do we need house? The house protects us from the sun, cold and rain, correct? It protects us from sun, rain and cold. Then keep all our things safe. Isn't it? Our books only. Take our books. If we keep outside the home, if you kept outside that home, it will be safe? Is it will be safe? No. If it is in the inside, it will be safe and secured, correct? Then makes us feel safe and comfortable, correct? You feel very comfortable in your home, correct? You can play, you can dance, you can talk so much, you can shout, correct? You can do whatever you want inside your house, correct? Is it children? Correct. Work and play happily. See, you can work, you can write your homework, you can see our online videos, you can do homeworks and all, you can play. You can happily play with your mother, father and your brothers, correct? You can do whatever you want, correct? So, and all, because of that we need home, correct? So, in one house, how many rooms are there? Some houses has so many rooms, okay? Some houses has so many rooms, some houses has one or two rooms, okay? Before that, there are two types of house, that is independent house and another one is apartment block. Independent house and apartment blocks. Here in our area we can see independent house more than the apartments, okay? In our area I think we are all have a independent house, correct? This one is a independent house, okay? Independent house. We can have some place, in that we can have our small, a little and safe house, correct? So that is an independent house. What about apartment? there is a big building, there are so many houses. Okay, we can see so many houses. We can see in Bangalore, Mangalore. Okay, in that type of area we can see. In Puttur also we have such areas, we have such apartment, but compared to Mangaluru and Bengaluru, we have less number of apartments in Puttur. So this one is a apartment blocks. Okay, see, so many houses are there. Okay, so many houses are there in one apartment block. See, next comes to the how many rooms have. How many rooms are there in one house? You have to count how many rooms are there in your house. Okay, in your house. Basically we have 4 rooms. Okay, basically we need 4 rooms. You can see this picture, or else you can see the page number 150 in your book, page number 160. Okay, page number 160. You can see this picture. You can see this picture, no? So, in this what and all we can see, this one is a house. Okay, we can see bedroom, living room, kitchen and bathroom. Correct? So, we will see the definition of that. What are we going to do in the bedroom? What are the things we can do in the kitchen? Okay, first we will see a bedroom. Okay, first we will see a bedroom. The room in which we sleep. Okay, in that bedroom we are going to sleep. That the room in which we sleep is a bedroom. Okay, what about bathroom? See, say bedroom. I want to show the pictures. No, see, can you see this one? Bedroom. Isn't it? Bedroom. So, what about bathroom? What about bathroom? So, the room in which we take a bath. The room in which we take bath is a bathroom. See the page number 155. Now, you can see a bathroom there. And a small picture is there, bathroom picture. You can see that one also or this one. Okay, both you can see. That is a bathroom. Why we need bathroom? The bathroom in which we take bath. Correct? Then next one is a dining room. The room in which we eat. We want some food, no? When you are hungry, we want some food. So if you take some food, you are going to take some food. You have to go to dining area and you have to take some food. Okay, the room in which we eat is a dining area. The page number 155 you can see, otherwise or else you can see here. Okay, next one. What is next one? Kitchen is the room used for cooking food. See, when you are hungry, you want to eat something. Correct? You have to prepare some food. Correct? Where we can prepare food? In a in a kitchen, we can prepare some food. See? You can see a page number 151, or else you can see this picture. See? Kitchen area. Okay. Next comes to sitting or living area. Sitting or living area. We sit and talk with our friends and guests in a living area or a sitting area. Okay. Living or sitting area. We sit and talk with our friends and guests. It is also called as drawing area. We can call it as a drawing area. Drawing room. we can call a living area as drawing, living room as drawing room. Okay, so these are the rooms in one house. Okay, so see, big or small, okay, one house, it is a big or small, our home is the best place for us, isn't it, children? Our home is our best place. So you have to keep that house, your home, clean and neat. Okay, you have to keep your home clean and neat. Okay, now take the page number 153. Okay, now you are going to take a page number 153. There is one activity, that is, list the things given below under the rooms where they belong. Where they belong. Okay. So take the page number 153. First picture. What is that room? Which is that room? That is bedroom. Correct. That is bedroom. Next one. What it is? Kitchen. Correct. Next, this one. Can you say? This one? Bathroom. Correct. Bathroom. Last one, it is living room or sitting room or drawing room. Okay, we can call it in three ways, that is sitting room, living room or drawing room. Okay. First, radio. Where we can see radio? Can we see in the kitchen? Sometimes. Isn't it? Sometimes we can see a radio in a kitchen area, kitchen room, correct? Sometimes, but mainly it will be in a living room, correct? Living room. Then pressure cooker. Where we can see a pressure cooker? In which room? Correct. In a kitchen we can see a pressure cooker. Then gas cylinder. Yes, in a kitchen itself. Gas cylinder. Then pillow. Pillow. It is in bedroom. Correct. Pillow. Then sofa. Living room. Sofa in living room. What? Television. It is also in a living room. Then bed. Where we can see a bed? It is in bedroom. Bed is in bedroom. Then shower. It is in bathroom. Shower. So, in this class, we learnt about our house, our home, correct? Our home. So, you have to write. One task is, how many rooms are there in your home, in your house? Okay, how many rooms are there in your house? Okay, you have to write it.